Hello, my name is Mr. Forrest Lai. I come from Hubei Coorig Technology Corporation Limited, and our company is located in Hubei and Tianjin, China. Our company is a manufacturer and supplier for HVAC duct forming machines and sheet metal forming equipment. And our major products are auto duct lines, CNC laser cutting machines, and other auxiliary duct forming machines for both round and square duct. We are very pleased to participate in this exhibition in Egypt, and we are very satisfied with the service and organization of this exhibition. We hope to look forward to join this exhibition next year. Thank you.